Cricut Design Space Tutorials for Beginners. Step 1. First sign into Cricut Design Space and open up a new project. Step 2. From the left panel you can access templates, projects, shapes, text, phrases, editable images, upload, and monogram. Step 3. Use the edit bar on the top of the screen to undo, redo, edit, align, arrange, flip, size, offset, warp, rotate, position, and more. Step 4. When working with text you'll see a text panel where you can change font style, spacing, alignment, and more. Step 5. On the right side of the screen you'll find the Layers panel and Color Sync panel. Step 6. At the top of the Layers panel you can use commands like group, ungroup, duplicate, and delete. Step 7. On the bottom of the Layers panel you can use slice, combine, attach, flatten, and contour actions. Step 8. From the left panel you can use the template tool to visualize your project. Step 9. Design Space features thousands of ready-to-make projects and you'll find them in the Projects tab. Step 10. You'll find projects that are free to use and some projects with a sign which requires Cricut access to use. Step 11. The Shapes feature comes with a variety of shapes to use in creating a variety of projects. Step 12. The Images feature contains over 300,000 images to be used for your projects. Step 13. The Text feature allows you to add or edit text for your project. Step 14. The Phrases feature is similar to Images and contains phrase designs. Step 15. The Editable Images feature contains designs that can be edited as the name suggests to make personalization easier. Step 16. In the editable image designs the blue highlight part of the design can be edited. Step 17. The Upload feature in Design Space allows you to upload your own image and design for your project. Step 18. With the Monogram feature you can make custom monogram design using a variety of classic and thematic designs, text styles, and frames. Step 19. Once you've created a design simply click Make It on the top right side of the screen. Step 20. If you get a prompt asking how to load the material simply select whether you're cutting a smart material or you'll be cutting with a mat. Step 21. If you're cutting on a mat select the mat size and click Confirm. Step 22. On the Prepare screen if you're cutting transfer vinyl turn on Mirror, reposition the design on the mat and click Continue. Step 23. To set the base material click Browse All Materials, then you can search and select the material you are cutting and click Done. Step 24. Now you can set the pressure to default more or less. For more such help and information, visit us at www.manimaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.